Gold and silver both respected the resistance levels which I shared yesterday, 1820 levels for gold and 2080 for silver. If you recall yesterday's both analysis for gold and silver, I had mentioned these levels very specifically that these might provide very strong resistance. Now what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the latest updates and analysis. The next update will be released before the US session precisely 10 hours from now. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Now one important observation, 1808 1810 levels provided a very good support. It retraced now till 1820, which is again a very good resistance level, as I have mentioned several times. 1818 1820 zone. Now on the hourly charts, another observation is, see, rise then retracement. It is trying to form a base here at 1814 1815 levels. So yes, if you see it trading below 1814, you can sell again, but then expect 1810 1808 zone, which is going to be a very good support. Either it can fall shy of, if it is bullish it might try to refrain from breaking 1808 levels, and if it is bearish it can slide strongly. If you see it trading below 1808 again, then definitely more bearishness can be seen. So till 1808 you have to be cautious. This is the first stronger support zone, 1808 1810, and below that probably we may see a very good drop for 1804 and 1800, and then as I shared in my weekly analysis, 1788 91 zone, which is certainly going to be a very strong support zone. But right now it appears it is still trying to trade bullish, waiting for a breakout. What do you mean by breakout? Yes, first 1820 levels it needs to break past by. You can also see multiple candles getting a push from 1820 levels. Even the previous candle on the early charts got a push from the same levels. So once it breaks past by 1820 with force, certainly we can look forward to the next resistances, and you may find it getting the resistance at 1823 and then 1828 level. More importantly, see, it will get the resistance at 1828 31st, and you can also see on the early chart, see, this was the previous consolidation zone at 1835. So I will be definitely watchful till 1850. It has got resistance at almost every $5, and hence you have to trade with caution till then. Now let's have a look at the directional movement. This is bullish. Stochastic is seen reversing and rising. The MACD is in green, looking to converge crossover for a sell here, and the RSI is looking down. So on the early charts, let's be still watchful and observant. Now look at the 2-hour chart. See, both 20, 50 and 100 period moving averages trading with divergence, trading bearish. Right now it is trading above the 20 period moving average and slightly below the 50 period moving average. So it has to go past by, trade above 1830 levels in order to confirm for a little bullishness here. Also that will be breaking the Bollinger Bands on the upside. See, Bollinger Bands on the upside right now situated the high at around 1820 levels, which is certainly a good resistance level. Directional movement here is bullish. Stochastic is overbought and looking down here on the 2-hour charts. The MACD is in green, and see, the candles have peaked. We may see the candle size diminishing, or we may see it converging, the MACD lines converging. However, it is still at sub-zero levels, and which means there could be little more bullishness here. If you look at the RSI is almost trading flat. Now if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts likewise similar is the observation, lower highs, lower lows. Now if you see it trading below 1814 you can sell, and above 1820 you can buy, but then 1823 28 30 and then 35 levels you should watch out for. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking down. The MACD is in green, trading with little divergence. It is yet to see the highs. RSI trading flat, not indicative of anything. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, now if you look at, yes, it is still below the 20, 50, 100 moving averages, trading with divergence, indicating bearishness. Yes, the 20 period moving average providing it a little resistance. You can buy at 1820, but then 1823, 2830 zone, and then beyond that we can see it trading little bullish. So for the day 1830 and for the week 1850 levels you should watch out for in order to confirm the bullishness and reversal. Directional movement bearish, stochastic has reversed a bit, has come out of the oversold zone, trading comfortable right now near to the highs. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence. This is just third green candle, and I'll wait if it continues with this bullish momentum for a little while from here. RSI has also come out of the oversold zone and trading comfortable here. Now look at the daily chart. You see on the daily charts, first of all, if you look at the highs here, gold has been trading in this channel, and this time it is precisely reversing from the median of this channel. Now the high is at around 1830 of this channel, and as I said, the confirmation of a reversal is only if it trades above 1850 levels here. So first thing, it has to break past by 1830 levels in order to confirm a little rise, and then 1850 levels in order to confirm the reversal. Right now it is trying to retrace, and if you look at the daily chart, see previous chart, previous candle, lower lows, lower highs, and this time it is trying to break past by. It has to break past by the previous highs here. Wait for it to break past 1823, then you can expect little more bullishness for 1828-30 zone and then 35 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, and it is trying to recover a bit here. The MACD is bearish, and after a long time it is looking forward to converge crossover, and once it crosses over it might bring little more bullishness here. RSI at bottom. Considering this for the day, you can sell at 1814, but then you have to wait for 1810 1808 zone only and only if it breaks below 1808, confirm that there is bearishness. On the upside, you can buy at 1820. See, rather I will say 1813 and 1821. Keep a dollar cushion because of the little you can say it might try to break it but could not sustain it. So 1813 1821 levels you should be cautious in between. Above 1821 also, then see very nearby resistance at 1823 and 1828 levels, and only above 1828-30 is broken, it might try to fly. So on the upside, be cautious of 28-30 today, and on the downside, be cautious of 1808 1810 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 13th of March. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. Higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen, and wait for it to break past 2080 in order to confirm the bullishness there. Now one important point rather, you can see that I have told you yesterday, I am telling you again, 2060 2050 zone it has to break past by in order to confirm the bearishness. It failed, it attempted twice or thrice to break past by 2060 2050 zone but failed to do so. So once again, I am telling you, if you see it trading below 2060 you can sell, but then 2055 2050 and then 2040. If it breaks below 2040, it is going to slide strongly on the downside. Right now on the hourly chart, it appears it is trying to retrace a bit. Wait for it to break past by 2080 in order to confirm the bullishness about 2080, 2090, 21. And once it trades about 21, we can look forward to 2120. Beyond that, it is going to accelerate the bullishness till towards 2150, 2175 and $22 levels. Directional movement was so far bearish. It is trying to cross over. Stochastic is seen rising. The MACD is bullish, trying to look upwards. And if you look at the RSI, this has also come out of the oversold zone. If you look at 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour chart, so far lower highs, and see drop, retracement. It has to break past by 2080 in order to confirm for a reversal here. Directional movement bearish, stochastic rising, the MACD divergent and bullish, and this crossover is happening at a bottom sub-zero levels, and hence a little more rise can be expected. RSI trying to come out of the oversold zone. If you look at the 3-hour, similarly on the 3-hour chart, similar observation, nothing different, same levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic after dropping now trying to look upwards again. This time it may try to take it overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent, this is bullish, this is just second green candle. It may bring little more bullishness. I will wait for the second or third green candle from here. RSI was oversold. It is trying to recover. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, so see certainly this is a breakout candle. However, this is just a retracement. I will wait for the next candle. Once it stays above 2080, possibly little more rise is confirmed. Directional movement bearish, stochastic at bottom trying to recover. The MACD trying to converge crossover. RSI is still oversold. So on the 4-hour charts, it has still got lot much distance to cover. And if you look at the daily chart, now see on the daily charts, previous candle was a breakout and it failed to sustain on the downside. Now trying to recover, wait for it to break past 2080, then 2090 and 21. Once it stays above 21, certainly it may fly till towards 2120 and 2150. Now remember 2150 to 22. This zone it has to break past by in order to confirm a reversal. Directional movement here is bearish, divergent. Stochastic on the daily charts is extremely oversold. The MACD is bearish, probably it might converge from here, and the RSI is trading oversold. Considering this for the day, you can sell at 2060 by 2080 on the downside till 2050 levels. This zone in between 2050 and 2060 is a stronger support zone. I am reiterating it again. I have told you yesterday, I am telling it to you again today, and hence be careful here. Only if it breaks below 2050, then the next is 2040, and below that only it might accelerate for the bearish move. It might show accelerated bearishness. On the upside, $21 levels first you should watch out for, then 2120. If these two are taken, then only we can confirm that 2150 the next resistance level will be seen. And till that time you have to, till 2120 you have to trail your stop losses just with the 5 cents movement. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. The next video will be uploaded before the US session. Do watch that also, and do like, share, comment, and also do join my mentorship batch or my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.